Who here manually writes every single invoice that they do work for? Today, I'm going to be showing you a free service that I've been using for the last 2 years to invoice all of my freelance videography clients. And the best part about it is, I haven't had to pay a dime for anything, and neither have my clients. Let's check it out. Alright guys, my name is Snaadt, helping you grow your brand with video. And today we're talking about a way that you can invoice your clients in a professional way that's 100% free to you and to them. It's free. And there's a little tiny stipulation that you can work around that I've been doing myself, which we will get into in the end of the video. So, I'm sure if you're a freelancer, you have had to invoice somebody in the past, and it's kind of a gruesome process. You have to go online, look, you're just Googling, free invoice template, and it probably looks super tacky and stupid. That's how I started out when I was doing some of my freelance gigs, and then I kind of stumbled into this service about 1.5 years ago that's kind of changed the way that I've done it and saved me a ton of time, money, and effort on the back end. So it's called Wave Accounting, and just full disclosure guys, they are not paying me to talk about this or sponsoring this video or anything. Like I said, I stumbled into this service about 1.5 years to 2 years ago, and it's been really helpful for me, and I thought I'd pass along my experience to you guys so you guys can save time and money with your invoicing and get back to doing what you love to do, creating content. So kind of a quick walkthrough. How Wave works is you sign up, you just use an email address to log in, you put in your company information, a logo if you have it, pop all that information in there, and then you're just going to have to add in manually right off the bat some of your services that you have. So it is a little bit of time and effort in the front end just from getting all your services in there, but for me a lot of the times I'm just invoicing for one video, so I can just put video, and then have a description box where I put in some detail. So for other jobs it could be kind of a pain in the butt. I know like construction or cement, if there's a lot of like itemized things that you have to put in with labor and material costs and things, it could be a lot. But for a video or photo session, it's just going to be a one-line item. It's very, very quick and easy. So then after that you just put in who you're going to be sending the invoice to. So if it's a repeat client, it'll save every time that you have a new client put in there, which is really nice for long-term people. Like I have a lot of repeat clients, so that helps me just expedite the process faster. And then you can customize a footer at the end or any kind of like special message or other things like that. You can pick a due date and send it. You can also send it through email for free, or you can print it out and email it manually in direct mail yourself as well. Now, if you're still watching this video, you need to really know something about Wave. The way they've monetized this platform is that they're going to try and get people to pay directly through their website, and then they charge what's similar to like a credit card charge or a PayPal charge. So if they send it to your client, say you did a video for a lawn mowing service and you charge them $200, Wave is going to charge a percentage of that, similar to what a credit card would, so 3 or 4% on top of that to your client. So if you invoice for $200 and then they have to end up paying, $220 or $230, they're probably not going to be very happy they have to pay that extra $30 just because you sent it through some fancy service. So what I've been doing is, and this is kind of a secret, so secret to the pros here, is that in my invoice I will put preferred payment options on there. So what I'll usually do is please make checks payable to Snaadt, or I'll put a link to my PayPal and say please pay me directly through PayPal. So using those two different options, you save them the money on the backside, and also you get the money quicker and more direct. So that's something that I've been doing. You feel free to pick that up or use that or share that with anybody that that's a freelancer that's doing invoicing, because this has been a really big tip that's been helped me a lot. Not to mention, they provide the template for free, and you just put your logo in there and it makes it look very nice and formatted and very smooth and professional. And that's the number one thing you want to do, especially if you're starting out as a freelancer, making sure that everything looks very, very professional so you get more repeat clients and people think you know what the heck you're doing. So, hopefully this little tip helps you out with some of your invoicing and things so you can get back to creating videos and photos or freelancing and doing whatever you do that makes you happy. Because let's face it, accounting sucks. Question time! What do you guys use for your invoicing services? Did you go on Google and just look for a free template, or do you use something else? I'd love to hear you guys' feedback. Some of the best insight from these types of videos come from the comment section, so I'm really looking forward to hearing what you guys use in your experience. Alright guys, that about wraps it up for me. Do not forget to subscribe. I will be posting weekly videos to help you grow your brand online. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or a creative, I want to help you get your message out there with video. So if you're into that type of stuff, smash the subscribe button! Hit the button! So no more counting, get back to doing what you do best. Whatever it is you do. Until next time, my name's Snaadt. This is a Wave Accounting. Go try to wait. I know. Just go do it. Okay.